Bonjour, this is Jai from Serpent Consulting. This year in Odoo Experience 2023, we are coming up with our teams, and at the same time we are also going to present two important topics for the community of Odoo. The first topic of mine which I am going to present is how to manage the work in progress cost and variance within Odoo. By default, Odoo doesn't come with the feature of having runtime dynamic cost and variance. Yeah, right now you are able to handle this when you complete the manufacturing order. But our module, which we already have implemented in one of the giant manufacturing projects successfully, so that's why we are going to represent this as a demo. So this topic talks about whenever you are running your manufacturing order, at the time of one of the partial stages, you are able to handle and see what is the cost and what is the variance when your material increases or decreases, when your labor increases or decreases. So that dynamic runtime cost management and variance you can see within our module. So that's what we are presenting. When you ask who is going to attend, so I think if you are a good implementer of Odoo, you are learning manufacturing, or you are already a manufacturing implementer of Odoo, you are more than welcome to attend our session and be our guest. I think it will be a nice way to communicate and exchange ideas and thoughts. I will also introduce my colleague, Mr. Yogendra. Yogendra is having a 10 plus years of experience in the technical field of Odoo. He is an expert. So Yogendra, what topic are you going to present to Odoo community?
Yeah, so this time we are going to represent the Odoo EDI Shipment with the 3PL.
Oh, great. So I understand that by default Odoo doesn't come with the integration with logistics third-party providers. So does it mean that you are going to use any of the mediums for EDI exchange? What is the medium?
Yeah, actually we use the UPL medium to communicate with the third-party logistic from the Odoo to third-party logistic.
Who it will benefit?
Actually, this will help to many sectors, but if we talk about the mainly, so logistic manager, supply chain expert, and IT professional, and other many decision makers from the retail, manufacturing, and distribution sector. For that would be helpful.
If I understand right, I think this UPL medium and this EDI part is majorly used within the Europe region, right?
Yeah, right.
So I think anybody from Europe who is into this 3PL logistics with manufacturing sector, they are more than welcome to attend our session.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
It will help their processes being streamlined and be simplified with our processes.
Yeah,
in our
right.
module. Let us meet and enjoy our session so that we can discuss more.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Join Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited at Odoo Experience. See you there.